Now we get to pop the lens out. Ta-da! Paint in the butt. Came out. Popped in, time to put the other one on. Pop the screws back in it, the spring. Spring goes back in. Spring goes back plug in the power plug and make sure everything works on this thing. Now we gotta plug the power plug in and see if it works, then we gotta repeat. Headlights on, no fog yet. Yeah, I know I left the lights on. See what happens. Houston, we have fog lights. So now we gotta repeat on the other side. I'll do that and then show you the final result. Peace. Fogs are in, sweet. I'll line them up and that's it. Just gotta finish the screwing the pans in. I'll give you a final picture in a bit after I line everything up. So, YouTube family, got both fog lights put in. It took me about 45 minutes. Now I readjusted, realigned it. Also aligned my lights, my headlights I should say. So you can see down here, you can see that the fog lights are lined up on the garage pretty good. The daylights on the headlights. And the fogs on par. So I would say we're pretty good to go. So stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, forward this, hit that bell notification. That way when we do our next video, you're not surprised by it. We'll see what's next because I've got the wheels on order still. Then I got lowering kit. I made that order for the lowering kit. That's got a 3 to 4 week back order. So when the next video comes out, it'll be what it is. So hopefully we'll have some fun. Stay tuned. Peace.